In this video, we are going to talk about problem number 11. Samira has 285 beads. Now, before I even continue reading on, I'm going to write down the number of beads that she has. 96 of them are red. So I'm going to make a note that 96 of them are red. The rest of the beads are blue. So if it says rest, do I know how many are blue? I do not. Okay, so if I set up my math mountain, it says to show your work, so I'm going to set up a math mountain. I know that she has 285 beads total. And I know that 96 of them are red. I put an R for red to label it. And the rest of the beads are blue. And I don't know how many that is. How many blue beads does Samira have? So I am solving for the amount of blue beads that she has. So if I put in my symbols, minus, minus, plus, can I do 285 minus blue equals 96? No. But can I do 285 minus 96 to get the amount of blue beads she has? Yes. So I know to set up my equation, I will do 285 minus 96. Okay? So let's think, do we need to ungroup in this equation? We do. If the number on the bottom is bigger than the top, is it bigger than the top? Yes. Go to your neighbor and knock, knock, knock. Now, before I knock, let's look at the bottom number in the tens place value. Is the number on the bottom bigger than the top? Yes. So go to your neighbor, which is the hundreds place value, and knock, knock, knock. I'm knocking, and I ungroup to get 100. And what do I do with that 100 that I am ungrouping? Bring that over in the tens place value. How many tens do I get when I ungroup 100? 10 tenths. So 10 tenths plus 8 tenths equals 18 tenths. If the number on the bottom is bigger than the top, now do I have enough tens? Yes. Go to your neighbor and knock, knock, knock. I knocked, and I took 1 10 away, and I have 17 tens. What happened to that 1 10 I took away? I ungrouped it to get more ones. And how many ones are in 1 10? There are 10 ones. Okay, 10 ones plus 5 ones, because I already have 5 ones sitting there, equals 15 ones. Now, can I subtract my number? Yes. Is the value up here still the same for the total? Yes, it is. I just ungrouped and changed things around so that I could subtract and take 96 from 285, but it's still the same value for the total. So 15 minus 6, I can either take away 6 from 15 or I can pound up, so pound 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers did you get? 9. Okay, pound 9, count up to 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers do you have showing? 8. Okay, and what's 100 minus 0 hundredths? 100. What's my answer? 189 blue beads. Make sure you have your label.